Accidents do happen. If a customer or an employee is injured, follow these steps. Do not touch the injured person. If he or she is conscious, ask if medical assistance is needed. If the person says no, interview him or her and find out how the incident happened. If the person is unconscious, call for an ambulance immediately. Make the injured person as comfortable as possible without moving him or her around. Interview witnesses for their observations. Fill out the accident incident form provided by your supervisor. Include the names and phone numbers of witnesses. Contact your supervisor. Be sure to include the date and time of the accident on the written report so that your supervisor can easily retrieve the surveillance tape from the day of the accident. Remember, as a customer service attendant, you are responsible for everyone using your facility. Your laundry has specific policies and procedures for you to follow. Ask your supervisor to tell you about them now. Thank you for watching and enjoy your job as a customer service attendant.